friends, my name is Anushka Sharma. Now let's make the cake at home. Biscuits, mixers, chocolates. In a mixer, keep small bites of biscuits. Make sure that powders like dahi, oil. In oil, keep baking soda, baking powder, 1 cup milk. In a bowl, keep the powder on it and mix it. Keep it milk and mix properly. One plate baking powder. Mix it properly. Mix it properly. In a bowl, keep the cream biscuits on it and keep into the pressure cooker 15 to 30 minutes and put chocolate, and my cake is ready. It is so crunchy. Wow, looking nice. Tasty. Cut the cake. It's your this is crunchy or not. We have to taste it. Wow, what a crunchy cake. So nice. Eat and taste it. Eat and taste it. Of course. Eat and taste it. So yummy. So yummy. Wow.